Good afternoon, I'm Ashley, and this is my submission for Vlog 2. To start, we had to read a text and watch a video, and then answer the following prompts provided. So to further my knowledge, I like to make a summary of what I learned from the text, and then what I learned from the video, and use that to help create my prompts. So from the text, I learned that technological determinism is the idea that technology is the main source for driving societal change. Citizens believe technology, like smartphones, shaped human behavior and even history. While civilians thinking that main critics would argue that multiple factors like social and political factors play a big role. Critics also argue that humans control how technology is used. This article examines the conflict between technology influencing society and society influencing technology. This article utilizes examples such as social media, AI, and phone usage. This article also goes deep into how social media has the effect on mental health in these days. STS investigates the connections between science and technology and the relationship with society as a whole. Technology involves an isolation, which demonstrates that social, political, cultural, and economic elements help shape technological advancements along with application. In the end, STS emphasizes the role humans play in influencing technology while illustrating how technology impacts social frameworks. And then my summary of the 3-minute YouTube video would be, this video explains technological determinism, which proposes that technology drives societal change and influences the way individuals live. It contrasts this perspective with views that society also influences technology. And from the text and the video, I put together my 2 prompts. So for my first prompt, technological determinism is the idea that technology is the main force that shapes society and drives social change. Technology influences how people behave, how societies evolve, and how cultures change. Social construction of technology is the theory that society helps shape technology. Technology is developed through the influence of different social groups. Technology is created and given meaning based on social needs and values. And then for my second prompt, when we had to pick an example to put it into the STS framework category and the technological determinism category, I picked the smartphone. To start off, on the technological determinism side, a determinist would probably contend that the creation and extensive use of smartphones have led to significant transformations in society. For example, smartphones forced new social behaviors like social media use and immediate communication, which is true. A long time ago, we wouldn't be able to communicate the ways that we communicate these days, or how the newer generation communicates. They influence culture by altering the ways people access information, engage with one another, and even process things. Society's evolution resulted from the features the smartphone holds, which I would agree with, because if we didn't have smartphones today, we wouldn't be able to learn new things, communicate, or access any information at all. And then for part 2 of the second prompt, tying it to STS, I wrote, a social constructivist would probably highlight the influence of social needs, values, and power dynamics on the development and utilization of smartphones. Multiple social groups played a role in determining which features were prioritized. The design of smartphones evolved in response to cultural trends. The impact of smartphones was co-created by users and manufacturers, which I also personally would agree with, because yes, as a community, we co-created using smartphones and how much we use them, but manufacturers also helped come to a meet with us of how much we rely on smartphones these days, especially in newer generations. But this was my submission for Vlog 2. Thank you.